to the British Airways A319. Abbey Star Airways just landed. I want to give a quick shout out to Andrews EWR Aviation, Matthew Kenslow, and Builder Mushroom. These three have given me great shout outs, and I know lots of other people watching this video have, and shout out to you, you know who you are. Now let's get with the British Airways A319. Hello everyone at Jersey Plane Spotters. We've got a bit of strong crosswind. There's massive gusts of wind coming out left, right and centre. Abbey Star Airways literally just landed. Now we got British Airways A319 G/EUPO. I'll keep the windsock in the camera as well, so then you can see the wind. It's pretty stable. It's landing a bit late. There we go. He landed quite late. There we have it. British Airways A319, strong